Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. If you don't know who I am, that's me. My name is Dylan and this is the Rideshare Hub. So this channel is all about Uber and Lyft and food delivery, DoorDash, etc. How to make more money, how to be a better driver, etc. But today's video, I'm just making this quick video because I wanted to let you guys all know, I love to do these little quick update videos. So yeah, this video is not going to be super long, but basically what happened is that Lyft is no longer accepting a lot of compact vehicles. So what Lyft is doing is that, yeah, basically anybody that tries to sign up for Lyft with a small car is probably not going to get approved. And the reason they're doing this is because they want to provide the best experience possible, and they have decided that I'm going to be completely unbiased here, and I'm just, I'm just saying why I think they're doing this is because they want to provide the best experience possible for their passengers. And probably one of the biggest complaints is that some of these, really small cars, a lot of the passengers don't feel comfortable, that the car is not big enough, there's not enough legroom in the back. And if you guys don't know, I take Lyft and Uber a lot as a passenger in order to get that experience, also as a driver, but also as a passenger. And one of the things that I've found that, quite frankly, I don't really like is that some cars just have very small legroom and in the back seat. And that's, it obviously still works, I can still get to my destination, but some people, they need, bigger cars, better assistance, and basically they have found that this is the best way to do it, is just to make some of they're called subcompact cars, to be ineligible for in the future. But if you have already signed up, if you're already a driver registered and you have one of these cars, you're totally fine. You're not going to get deactivated. This is just for the future if you try to sign up. And this actually happened, let's see, today is March 21st. This actually happened, I'll probably put this out tomorrow on the 22nd, but this Lyft announced this on February 25th. So just under a month ago, they announced this. And well, they didn't really announce it, they just put it up on their website, but yeah, so I'm just gonna go through the list right now. So this is what it says. It says ineligible makes and models, subcompact vehicles. This is taken directly from the Lyft website. I'll put a link down below so you can, check it out yourself and confirm. And they also go into more detail, but these are basically, it says the subcompact vehicles listed here are not eligible on the Lyft platform as of February 21st, 2019. If you're an existing driver and you're approved to drive with a subcompact vehicle car prior to 25th, you will be able to continue driving with your existing subcompact vehicles. So BMW, i3, i3EV, Chevrolet, I'm not going to go through every single one. Fiat, yeah, Fiats are small cars. Ford Fiesta, that's going to be a big one. Ford Fiestas are really popular. Honda Fit, I actually made a video saying that Honda Fit was one of the best cars to drive for Uber and Lyft. However, yeah, Hyundai Accent, that was the first car I ever owned, was a Hyundai Accent. And yeah, some of these cars are kind of surprising. The Hyundai Accent, it's not the biggest car in the world, but it's also not that small. So these, so just be on the lookout if you're thinking about getting a new car or a used car to drive for Uber and Lyft. I probably wouldn't recommend getting this. And now, because before I would say try to get, the cheapest used car you can get that qualifies, and, just try to make as much money as possible with like a used car. But now, Honda Fit, Ford Fiesta, Hyundai Accent. Now I might even change my strategy and recommend probably the best car to get now is like a used minivan. So you can do XL rides as well. Oh, Toyota Prius C. So some of the Toyota Priuses, Toyota Yaris. Wow, the Yaris isn't able either. Volkswagen Beetle, Yeah, I mean, Beetle, yeah. So basically, guys, a lot of cars are no longer eligible to drive for Lyft, which it's pretty nuts, pretty crazy. Yeah, it's obviously, you know, Lyft, it's no secret, Lyft is just doing this so that people can have more legroom in the back, and so that, you know, some of these cars, it's also for safety reasons too. You know, if you get into an accident when you're in a Toyota Yaris, you're not going to be as safe as if you're in a Ford Fusion, for instance, like a larger sedan. So anyways, guys, that's the video today. I know it's really quick and short. It wasn't a 30-minute long video like some of my other ones. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what kind of car you drive for Uber and Lyft. I drive a Ford Escape, so it's an SUV. So fortunately, you know, my car's not, I mean, even if you do drive one of these cars, you'll still be fine. But yeah, that's my car. Let me know what kind of car you drive. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I know it's just a quick little tidbit, but anyways, guys, have a great day. Have fun out there. Be safe, be smart, and I'll see you all next time. All right, bye.